We have here a Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG. Galwing. Very, very rare car. I think there's only a handful dito sa Pilipinas. Pero I've had the pleasure of working on one before. This particular car was filmed siguro 4 or 5 years ago. I would assume that they used computer cut kasi there are a lot of edges na exposed. I think they did not customize na rin yung template kasi by the looks of it, ang daming corners, ang daming dugtong-dugtong. Parang pinazzle siya together. So especially dito sa doors. Dito sa may side mirror, very sorry pero pangit. Same story dito sa trunk, 2 pieces pinagdugtong. They did not debadge the car. I think may cut out na dun sa template yung sa SLS pati dito sa AMG. They left it as is na lang. Dito sa running board, yes, same story. Exposed lahat ng edges dito sa quarter panels. Dito sa vents, there are a lot of edges na exposed. Medyo aging na yung film. Nag-ipon na siya ng dumi. So, nangingitim na yung edges. Sad to say na at this point in time, the film has been reduced to for protective purposes na lang. Front bumper, ganun din. Parang puzzles, parang pinazzle-puzzle lang together yung film. May mga areas like this, walang film na naka-install. Tapos maraming cuts. Ayan, oh. Sorry, pero pangit na eh. Sayang yung kotse. So if we open the doors, so nilagyan din nila ng film dito. Pero at this part, dito nag-lift na yung film. Kaya yun, nag-ipon na ng dumi. Okay, sarado na natin. Yabang! Yabang eh. Gano ba to? Tayo pambili nito eh. Anyway, mataas yung expectation sa atin ni client dito. So, syempre, hindi naman tayo papatalo. Mayabang din tayo eh. Pero wala kayong pambilin yan. Babalatan na natin to. Detail. Tapos, syempre, PPF. Ang dami pa natin kitarbang gagawin. Kaya, let's go! Yung SLS, this particular car, I met the owners, I would say 4 years ago when we first opened in Drive Clean. So, he brought in the SLS. Nakita na namin yung pagka-install dun sa car ng PPF. He wasn't really particularly happy about it. Sayang naman kung tatanggalin agad kasi kakakabit lang. Sinulit muna niya yung film. So, ngayon, ongoing yung pag-remove ng film. No? So, we've been doing it the whole day. So far, we've removed 60-70% of the film. We're about to remove na yung film sa bumper. Hopefully, it goes seamless naman, walang maging problem. And then we can proceed with the detailing of the car. Okay, natapos na yung boys mag-prep ng car. Tanggalan natin yung old film. Now, it's time to start the PPF work. So, we'll start with the hood. We'll be using the Geon PPF Hybrid. It's a new film. This film has an infinite warranty program. That means warranted siya for life if the car is maintained by Geon PPF installer. Hood ng SLS is pretty straightforward. I think simple enough naman yung installation niya. The main challenge here is to make sure na walang debris or walang dumi. Medyo malaki yung hood eh. So malaki yung film, nag-a-attract siya ng dust. So yun yung gusto nating i-avoid. Do it as fast as we can para less chance na masingitan tayo ng dumi. Yun na yun. Let's go! Tagus yung gasgas, oh. Meron tayo slight issue. Meron silang naiwan ng mga hairline scratches. I'm pretty sure galing sa blade. Unfortunately, masyado na siyang malalim para tanggalin. Siya naman. Wala. Naman, kakainis. Nainis ako. I think yung previous installer, although they did a pre-cut install, pagdating dun sa hood vents, minanual cut nila yung sa may vent. Kasi unfortunately, they scratched yung paint. It was very deep talaga na hindi na siya matanggal through polishing. So, wala, sayang. So, nakita na ng owner yun and wala na tayong magagawa unless we repaint the whole thing.
It's not naman that obvious pag kinabit na yung hood vent. Pero ngayon kasi we remove the hood vent para we can do a cleaner install. Doon natin nakita yung cuts na naiwan nung previous installer. So, nag-computer cut ka na nga, nakasugat ka pa rin ng paint. Ayun, something that the customer will have to live with na lang. Pero wala, nandun na yun eh. To soften a bit yung scratch that the previous installer left on the car, konting sanding tayo and konting polishing just to soften yung scratch, no? Pero at the end of the day, hindi mo na yun completely mare-remove. Either i-respray yung buong hood kasi marami yung scratches niya. Pero when we put back the vents naman, it won't be as obvious as it is now. When it came down to tucking in the edges, 3 oras ata, Berdok. Yung may rubber seal niya dun sa very, very tight yung pagkakabit niya. It became a real challenge to tuck in yung edge ng film. Kasi the rubber is pushing it back. The reason why we do that is because we were keeping an eye on the future. We're keeping an eye on 2 years, 3 years down the road where it starts to build up dirt. If the edges are exposed, inevitably mag-iipon siya ng dirt, ng grime. Yun yung gusto mong i-avoid. And by tucking it in underneath the seal, it eliminates yung problem na yun kasi wala ka ng exposed edges. So that's the reason why it takes longer. We try to hide all the edges as much as possible para walang exposed edges. It's time to do the bumper. Front bumper. Hindi naman parang kaya na. Isang side. Kasi kailangan kong tingin ko pwede. Tingin ko kailangan kong paketin lang yun eh. Banatin pabalik.
High risk mo na.
High risk. Pagka napunit yan, lalo na kung pababa, balik.
Seconds later.
Ano nangyari? Ano napunit? Talaga? Napunit? Ba't napunit? Tapos na yun ah. Kaya lang ah. Ano napunit?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Ulit. Pag pinupush mo kasi yung limitation ng film, sometimes mangyayari kasi talaga yan. Ulit. Ulit tayo kasi nasobrahan sa pilit yung film. We
we save the best for last. Yung pinakamahirap na panel na SLS. Kung bakit siya mahirap, it's because from here, the A-pillar going to the roof, going down to the quarter panel, going down to the other side of the car, yung quarter panel sa kabila, and the A-pillar sa kabila is one whole piece. No, isang piraso siya, wala siyang cut. If susukatin mo to, there is no film na magkakasya dito. But, I think meron akong naisip na way magawa siya in one piece. Typically, puputulin niya ng shops somewhere here siguro, maybe 3 pieces. This time around, ito-try namin siya to do it in one whole piece. So, matagal ko na itong pinag-isipan. Kaya ito naging huli. So, tapos na lahat ng panels ng car magawa na. I think it will make the client very, very happy kasi one of the complaints he had was yung seam right about here. I think my solution will eliminate that. Hindi ko i-share, syempre, yung naisip ko strategy. Akin lang yun. So, pwede papakita namin yung end result. Alright? Game! So, ito yung problem. So this is a 72-inch film na from Gion. We have a 72-inch film. Pero even the 72-inch film, bitin. Yan, hanggang dyan lang siya. Hindi talaga siya aabot. So, pero may naisip ako way na paabutin. Ito, tinatry ko ngayon. Na Brad, gumana. Di shit na. Ito lang nag-iisang SLS na naka-full tong part na to. Gumana, Brad. Igutan mo. So after spending countless of hours looking at the car, looking at the panels, and trying to come up with a strategy on how to be a little bit creative on how to do the roof and the quarter panels of the SLS, may nabuong diskarte lang sa utak ko that maybe just maybe baka magawa ko siya in one whole piece na walang cuts, walang seams. Fortunately, na-execute naman namin yung plan, na-execute naman namin yung strategy. So, nakabitan namin siya in one whole piece. Walang seams, walang cuts. I think okay naman yung kinalabasan niya. I think I'll be proud of the install. Okay naman lahat nung naging diskarte namin for this particular panel. I think if the client will be very, very happy kasi it's a far cry from the old PPF na in-install dun sa SLS niya. So, andito tayo ulit sa Gion Detailing Concept and we are finally done with the SLS project. It took us a few weeks. Actually, there were a lot of challenges along the way. The SLS. So, the SLS came to us. Meron siyang old PPF. It was done by another shop. So, I think they did a computer cut install on this car. Simula ako sa front. There were a lot of cuts sa front bumper. So, there were some seam here. Dito rin sa harapan, sa grill, meron. Dito sa ilalim, meron din. Over time, nag-accumulate na siya ng dirt. So, nangitim na yung edges. So, very unpleasant na siya tingnan. So, we were able to do it in one piece. So, walang cuts, walang seams na exposed. We did our best then on hiding all the edges and all the corners of the film. Sa hood, they did cut around dito sa vents. So what we did was we removed the vents and then we installed a bulk film para nakatago yung mga edges nung sa may vents area. Sa doors, pangit talaga yung pagkagawa ng doors. Maraming dugtong dito on this part and then nakakat yung film here sa may window. So basically parang 2 pieces yung door. Yung roof and yung quarter panel, they did it in 3 pieces. So nakakat siya dito, tas maraming exposed edges. So nangitim na lahat yon. Pagdating sa trunk, ganun din. Meron silang dugtong dito sa may spoiler banda. Siyempre, we did it in bulk. We removed the badges. Of course, binalik naman natin where it's originally positioned. So, ngayon wala ka na makikita ang seams, wala ka na makikita ang edges, and nakatak na lahat ng edges niya. Bumpers took us 2 tries, no? Yung front and rear bumper, 2 tries each. Not my favorite thing to do, pero the first try kasi hindi masyadong maganda yung, well, in my eyes, hindi siya masyadong maganda. So, if it's not up to par, inulit na lang namin. So, maganda naman yung kinalabasan ng second try namin. The trims, the grills, the vents, lahat yun naka-ceramic coating na. She's going home na tomorrow. We're prepping her for release na. So, these 2 other project cars that we did in the past, nandito sila for maintenance. No, we have the Turbo S from a valued client also. And then the Lamborghini Huracan that we did a year ago. Siguro buksan ko lang yung pintuan one more time. One last thing before we end the video, I'd like to extend a very, very heartfelt thank you sa owner of the car. I cannot say kung sino yung may-ari ng kotse, pero boss, if you're watching, I know we've done a lot of cars in the past, pero I know that this is a very, very special car to you. So I'd like to thank you for letting us have it for a few weeks and while we work on it, and I'm pretty sure naman that you will be happy with how it turned out. So again, boss, thank you. So if you're still with us, thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Pagpasensyaan nyo na, this is our first vlog. Sana gumaling pa ako dito, and sana we still get to work on a lot more projects like this. Siyempre, iba yung motivation or iba yung excitement when you're dealing with a lot more serious level cars. So don't forget to follow our socials. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. Tagal ko nang gusto sabihin yun eh. So, yun. I guess that's it for our first vlog. May mga gagawin pa ako. Medyo madami pa to get her ready for release tomorrow. So, that's it. Thank you. Good night.